Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Eating season, i.e. the holidays, is upon us. So I wanted to share 3 invaluable tips for surviving without putting on the pounds. First, practice filling up first on foods that have lots of volume. We call these the big, bulky foods, but minimal calories. Fruits and veggies reign supreme here. Volume in the GI tract provides powerful appetite suppression regardless of the calories it contains. Hallelujah for that. Here are 4 easy ways to leverage this practice. At a holiday party, go straight to the fruit and veggie platter and really indulge. Use high-fat dips sparingly. If available, make bean dips or hummus your first choice. Next, if you don't expect fruits and veggies to be served, fill up on fruits and veggies at home just before you leave to help you eat less when you get there. Next, at holiday dinners, fill 2/3 of your dinner plate with fruits, veggies, and beans before serving the rest of your meal. And lastly, eat a robust serving of a tossed salad or a couple of servings of a veggie side dish before eating the rest of the meal. The second tip, engage in TRE, time-restricted eating. This easy practice simply requires that you limit all of your eating to an 8 to 10 hour window. There are otherwise no other changes required. No limits to the amounts or the types of foods you eat. You just have to be sure that from your first bite or sip of calories until the last is less than 10 hours over the course of each day. TRE reduces appetite, enhances fat burning, boosts energy, and improves sleep. 4 awesome benefits that can all improve weight control. And the third tip, make movement a priority. It is a fantastic safeguard against weight gain and helps compensate for holiday indulgences. It's also the perfect tonic for the stress and anxiety we all experience during the holiday season. So what are some things you could do to make this happen? You can recruit a holiday walking buddy, sign up for a holiday roadway race, take a family walk after your holiday feast, something we always do. Schedule in advance a regular workout with a trainer. Incorporate walking into your holiday shopping. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes and do as much of it as you can on foot. And don't forget house cleaning and yard work count as exercise too. Lastly, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones, because one of the greatest gifts we could receive and one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health. Thank you. Before you go, I wanted to share my Christmas special. So if you love getting healthy with friends or loved ones, you have an opportunity to enroll in my Healthy Kitchen Makeover course, which is one of my most popular in history of my 17 courses in terms of enrollments. You have an opportunity to enroll in that course and then gift one to a friend or loved one for free. So this course is near and dear to my heart because I designed and filmed it with my oldest daughter, Liz, who is both a culinary whiz and a true kitchen whiz. So I was grateful to have her expertise added to that course. And we even made a wonderful, beautiful flyer that you can use, to wrap up or to put in an envelope or something to give to the person you want to gift the Healthy Kitchen Makeover course to. Anyway, we'd love to have you and a friend or loved one. And we're wishing everyone a really, really healthy, happy Merry Christmas. Thank you. Welcome to the Healthy Kitchen Makeover e-course. This course is for those of you who want me to come into your kitchen for a total makeover. In this course, I will show you how to stock your cabinets, pantry, and fridge exactly like mine. In part 1, yours truly will share food group by food group exactly what foods to have in your kitchen as well as those to keep out. In parts 2, 3, and 4, which focus on helping you become an efficient and confident healthy cook, My daughter Liz will be joining me.
Hi everyone, as my mom said, I am Dr. Ann's oldest daughter Liz. I'm a writer, an educator, a mother of a 9-month-old, and a home cook.
In parts 2, 3, and 4, with Liz taking the lead, we will cover essential kitchen tools, gadgets to up your culinary game, stocking your spice cabinet, and must-have flavor-boosting items.
When my mom asked me to do this course, I think the reason I wanted to do it is because I know how transformative cooking can be, not only for individuals, but for their entire families, as a way to boost your health, increase your health, but also as an expression of creativity and as something that can be incredibly pleasurable.
And as an additional bonus, my daughter Lucy, who is a master at crafting healthy and delectable recipes that are easy to prepare, created an entire week of meal plans and recipes just for you. Why did I create this course? Because your home food environment has a greater impact on how you eat than anything else.